Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to sell on eBay. Firstly, you need to, of course, open eBay application on your device. And then you need to tap on the selling section in your bottom right corner. And then you need to tap list an item to start creating your listing. So eBay offers you a step-by-step guide, and the first step is to share item details. That means that you need to use keywords of like brand of your product. For example, it can be model or unique information of your product. The next step, you need to find matching product. That means that eBay will search their catalog to find similar items, similar item to yours. And then, of course, you need to edit your listing and eventually list your item. So, okay. According to this step-by-step guide, firstly, I need to use keyword. Okay, for example, I want to sell Nike shoes. For example, and then I need to find Nike shoes similar to mine that I want to sell. For example, this one. And then you need to select the condition of your product. So it can be new with the box. It can be new without the box. It can be a new item with some problems, like some damages or something, and it could be used product. I don't know, it depends on you, it depends on your product, but I will choose used product and then click continue button. And here you need to edit your listing. So here you can add or upload or even take some photos of your product. Here are the photos that you can use. Okay, then you need to edit the title of your product that will be displayed to users that want to buy your product. Then you can edit category, condition, item specifics, and you need to, of course, write a clear, detailed description of your product. And you need to set the price of your product. And you need to select shipping options and some preferences, but okay. Okay, so when you're done editing your listing, you need to click this button, list with displayed fees, to upload your listing, or you can preview your listing. So your listing will have will look like this. So this is the information about your product. So this is actually the preview, or you can save your listing for later as a draft. For example, if you don't want to upload it right now, you can save it for later and upload whenever you want to. So if you want to upload, you need to click list with displayed fees, and your item will be available on eBay. So I think that's basically it for selling on the eBay. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.